Hey there, Stephen Pegg from Loves to Travel. Thanks for checking out our videos. Always appreciate when you watch what we do. Hilton Grand Vacations at the Flamingo in Las Vegas is where we're at. And we have a one-bedroom we're going to check out. So come on, let's go in.
I just wanted to let you know that we are at the very end of the floor.
Yeah.
And not only that, this is a dedicated unit without a shared entrance.
Yeah, this is one of the few one-bedrooms that don't share into a two-bedroom or a lockout studio. So come on in. We're going to go over the kitchen here in a minute. This is I do want to mention two things. This is an older building, but this room has been fully remodeled.
Right. This is actually the original Hilton Grand Vacations Club in Las Vegas.
Right.
The original, the when they first started.
Right, and this is right behind the Flamingo Casino and Hotel on the Strip. We have a view of the pool, and my understanding is they're supposed to be remodeling the pool.
Or a pool is being renovated. I'm not sure, but it is February, so you know.
We actually did see some people in the hot tub yesterday. Not much of a view here except for the pool. But let's start with the living room. What we've got here, always have a queen size hide-a-bed sofa. So double check this. Yep, it's a hide-a-bed. So this is a queen size. It'll sleep two here. You have one side table, not two, but there's no room for a second one. Phone, light here. I don't see any chargers. The problem that I have a lot of times, if you're sitting here, you want to be able to plug in your laptop or whatever.
So where is the plug? Is it behind?
Behind the curtain, most likely.
Let's see. We're checking where it is.
Yeah,
Yep, there
behind
it
the
is.
curtain.
So you can plug in there.
Yeah, so you can plug in your laptop and work from there. One chair. You have a coffee table, which is a weird-looking coffee table, but it works.
Yep, it
oh
moves,
yeah, it's two.
So,
it's 2-in-1.
right.
So that works out well. TV's the nice size for this room. You probably now watching my videos know how I feel about TVs. This is the right size for this area of the room. They do have, believe it or not, still a DVD player.
And they give you a DVD card, so you know there's still a DVD like rental center here for free, so you could basically use it and
watch movies.
Watch movies.
I do want to point this out because this you're going to find at a lot of hotels. There is no smoking in any of these rooms. You have to go downstairs. And actually any of the resorts or any of the hotel rooms in Las Vegas, you're not allowed to smoke in. Want to go into the bedroom first? This is the main bedroom. And I do like the way this is set up because they actually have a desk for you to work on. And again, the TV's right above the desk, but we'll talk about that here in a second.
Oh, that's interesting. Does it pull out so you can see it from the bed?
This does. No.
No, it does not.
Yeah, no.
That is really weird because if you actually look at it, you're here, and then the bed is over there, so you're not really sight-seeing. Don't break it.
Yeah, that's not moving.
No, it's not moving. So you're not seeing the TV straight on.
I mean, it's the right size TV for the room. It's just you can't move it to be able to have a straight on view from the bed. One chair, a light. You do have end tables on both sides and USBs and plugs on both sides. They're actually built into the side tables, the end tables. I do like the reading lights on the headboard. I've always liked those. Place for you to sit down, put shoes on or whatever. What else do we want to look at in here? There's not much. Let me open the drawers and see if there's anything in the drawers. Nope. You know what I haven't found in the last couple of resorts we've been? The Bible.
Let's see.
Oh, there are drawers over here too. Let me look here. Nothing in the drawers. Nope, all empty. I've not looked in all the drawers yet, so that's...
Yeah, interesting. Where do you put your clothes? In the closet? Could be. We gotta go to the closet next.
Yeah. There's not really a dresser.
I think it may be in the closet.
Yeah, the dresser's in the closet.
Not a very big one.
Nope. Hangers, your safe is here. You have a luggage rack, a trash can. So it's not a very big closet, but you can store pretty much anything. I mean, again, you're coming to Vegas. If you're going to be here for a week, you can put things away. If you're going to be here for a couple of days, you really don't need any of this. But it's here if you need it.
And there is a full-length mirror. So this transitions into from carpeting to a vinyl plank into the bathroom area, which only has one sink, which is really weird because I expect two sinks, but I think the sink might be in a different room.
There is double sinks here, but we'll show you in a second. I love the lighted mirror. Again, we've talked about this before, you and I love the lighted mirror. Marble top.
Mm-hmm. And then this is not a jacuzzi tub. They got rid of those, and this is just a soaking tub.
A lot of the resorts have gotten rid of the jacuzzi tubs. Have you noticed that, hon? Mm-hmm. Just a soaking tub. Nice light above it. In here is basically, you can shut one door and make it a private bathroom for the bedroom, or you can shut this door we're going through now and open that other door and let everybody else that's in the room come in.
Oh, there's the other.
So there's your other sink. So it is dual sinks, just two different rooms. Again, lighted mirror. You've got your towels and washcloths and so on and so forth there. A pump for that's body lotion. There's a pump for the body lotion. Mm-hmm. So I'll guarantee you go in the shower. Yep, pumps. Everybody's going to the pumps. So here's your shower. The height test. Yeah, it's high enough. And then you've got your pumps, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel.
Is the shower big enough for you is the question.
The only thing that a lot of these showers have been missing is a place to put your feet. Not for me so much, but for the girls. A place to like, for example, if you want to shave your legs. No place to put your feet. It's barely big enough.
Mm-hmm. And there is, of course, the toilet in here too.
And you can't make it private because this is a pocket door. So you can't make the toilet area private.
So when you're in there, you want to make sure you lock both doors.
Mm-hmm.
That one and that one.
Yeah, or lock the pocket door if you're in here. Not sure what's in the drawers.
Let's go check them.
Nothing. And
there's
your hair dryer, extra toilet paper. I did notice when we were over here in the other bathroom that it looks like these drawers are off, but it may just be the way they're. Nothing. Yeah, it's just. So we went to the left when we first came in, so now we're going to go to the right, and we're going to start with a closet door when you come in. Not a lot of hangers in here, but there's the bedding for the hide-a-bed. If you need the hide-a-bed, the bedding, the sheets, and so on and so forth, they're there. I'm surprised they don't have more hangers, but they don't.
I guess you could request them.
Yeah. And then I believe, washer and dryer, full-size washer and dryer. Ironing board and iron. They use Tide for the soap. And your controls for your air conditioner. One of the things I first noticed when I walked in here, there's no kitchen table.
Well, I think that's considered a table.
That is considered your kitchen table. But there's also two places to sit over here. So you can actually seat 6 for food or whatever. Actually, that's pretty decorated nicely for a nook. I mean, not a lot you can do with a nook. So let's wander in here. This is a
convection oven, microwave combination. So it is all in one.
Yep.
Not very big,
nope.
But it's functional.
Then you've got all your dishware up here, glasses, plates.
The cabinets are very modern.
Yep. And then under here is like mixing bowls and such. Flat top stove. Knife set. It's not a Keurig. Actually, is that a Keurig?
Nope, it's a brew station, so it's just a regular coffee maker.
Yeah. And then under here, silverware. What is that? Is that a mixer?
It's a toaster.
No, that's a
and
toaster.
Then, there is underneath here water pot.
A what?
A kettle, tea kettle.
Tea kettle. Oh, you like that?
I like the tea kettle.
I don't know if there's anything under here. Oh yeah, there's your pots and pans. And I think one of those is non-stick.
Yes, it is.
No wine opener.
Oh, there is right here.
Oh, there's a wine opener. Yeah, there is. And they've got a church key. Let's see. And then
interesting places for the kitchens.
But again,
spoons.
There's not a lot of room here.
Right.
Sink. Nothing under the sink, which surprises me. And then your dishwasher is here. It's a smaller dishwasher.
So where are the stuff? It must be in that closet.
Yeah, we'll get there in a second. So, see, now this is what I talk about in a lot of the resorts. If you walk in and there's ice, dump the ice and make new ice because you're not sure how long that ice has been sitting there. I don't see a, yeah, there is. I was looking for the
water pitcher?
Water pitcher, yeah. So here's your little cabinet.
Oh, there it is.
There's your stuff right there. Broom and dustpan, trash can, fire extinguisher, dish drain, and then your soaps. So yeah, pretty much everything you want. Just set up a little bit differently because it's a smaller unit. Let's see what's up here. Nothing? Yeah, nothing up there. So this is the room. What do you think?
It's really nice.
Yeah, I like the way it's set up. I really do. For what it is, it's set up nicely. The only complaint that I have is the bedroom TV. You can't move it around. So thanks for watching. It's the Hilton Grand Vacations at the Flamingo, right behind the Flamingo Casino and Hotel on the Strip. So you're in walking distance to the Strip. So thanks for checking this out. Have yourself a magical day.